I will pick this one, guys. Ay! You see this? So big tomato. Come up the white eggplant. See, guys? The white eggplant. Yeah. Just for a while. Yeah, okay, my friend. Yay. Laka. Yay. Nabari. See this, guys? I will put it here. And then, isa pa. This side, yung mga okra. This okra ay galing po ito ng see? These are okra. And we also have here the mga sili. You see? This is ala! Laka, patay. Wait lang, natanggal.
You destroy the plant.
Sorry.
The melon here.
Yeah, and we also have here the watermelon. Yeah.
An eggplant.
You see, aray ko. Wait lang, kasi yung sintas ko po ay very good. Ay, mangunguha pala ako ng okra at ibibigay ko sa friend ko na buntis. Wait lang. And this is the watermelon.
Don't pluck it out.
Yeah, I will not kemerlu. Like, see? The watermelon. I'll get plastic just for a while. This is eggplant. But it's like egg. I'll show you.
White eggplant.
White eggplant. See, guys? The white eggplant. It's literally eggplant and it's amazing. Nakaka-amaze siya, guys. Yan po yung mga at umuulan, guys. Dahil umuulan, ito ay buwis buhay. Yeah. And there's the purple eggplant here. I will get. But wait lang. And this is the purple eggplant, the white eggplant, and the mga eggplant, and that one. So, I will get plastic. Kukuha lang po ako ng plastic para i-collect lahat ng mga kagulayan.
So ripe and juicy.
Wow. So, this is the blackberry, guys. Nanubo na siya. Magiging black siya at magiging berry. Charot lang. Ito po. Wait lang, I will get one. I will taste. See this? Maasim. Maasim pala. You said it's delicious. It's ano pala. It's
You
like
take the black
bitter.
ones. Take the black
Not
ones.
bitter, it's basta
Sour.
sour, yeah.
But you should take the ripe one, like this.
I take the black one.
Yeah, try this.
Ah. Just sour. Sour pa, Alex.
Because maybe it's not ripe enough.
OMG, so sour. Was thinking it's okay na. But there is no more. Oh. So guys, this is the Alex, what is that?
Here.
Show daw. Why you get?
Pear.
Okay.
It's called a pear.
Yeah, eat now.
And this one is ready to eat.
Yeah, eat now.
Eat one.
I cannot bite. So hard. Bite for me.
No.
So guys, we also have here the peach. Peach. Taste down.
This one?
Yeah. Can I have? It's sweet.
It's peach.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, this is the peach.
Here.
So guys, this is almond.
This one.
Ito po yung almond. Almond. See? Almond, pagilaw pa siya. Pero itatry natin kumuha. See? Ang mga almond na hilaw. See guys? Ito po yung almond. Yan. This is the almond guys. Mag-focus ka nga. Oh, ayaw mag-focus. Yan po yung almond. Ito po yung aming mga plum. Ito yung ginagawang dried plum. Dried plum? Di ba, Alex?
Yeah, this is not dried, it's fresh.
Yeah, I know. But, ikaw ba? Ay, hala. Ay ko. Wait, this side naman. Okay. And this is also the olive. Ano, wait here, coming daw, show. Alex, show daw.
Show
The
me.
olive. And this is the olive. Kemerlu. See? The olive. Fruit? Alex, fruit? Olive.
I don't know.
Olive basta. This is the olive.
We hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe.
I'm Christine.
And I'm Alex.
Thank you.